Every time this girl stepped out of the shower, her cat would immediately start meowing at her, which led her to a surprising realization.
I've just had the most mental realization. Every time I get out the shower, Leo is waiting there for me, okay? So every time I open the door, he meows as if to say, like, I've been waiting for you. He's never been meowing. The fucking door meows. Doesn't it sound like a cat? So there's me thinking, opening the door, just thinking, oh, cute little Leo's meowing, he's been waiting for me. It's been the fucking door the whole time.